How to update JVC Smart TV software. Please watch full video for better solution. If you are having JVC Roku Smart TV and system software update is available on your JVC Smart TV and you want to update it, then you can easily perform or update JVC Smart TV. And if you are having issues with JVC Smart TV and apps are not working or having issues with JVC, then you need to check if the software update is available or not and then update JVC TV. So let's see in detail how to update JVC TV. Update JVC Smart TV. The JVC Smart TV has specific ways to update the firmware, and they are Roku TV OS, Android TV OS, older JVC Smart TV. How to update JVC Roku TV. Start the JVC Roku TV and connect it to the internet connection. Press the home button and select Settings on the menu. Click System on the settings and select System Update. Tap Check Now to look for the new update for the Smart TV. Select Update to download the update and install the new firmware for the TV. How to update JVC Android TV. Launch the JVC Android TV and go to the settings on the home screen. Select the device preference on the settings and click About. Choose System Software Update and click Update to update the software. Tap OK in the restart prompt, and it will restart the Smart TV. Enable automatic software download on the System Software Update to update the software automatically. How to update older JVC Smart TV. Turn on the JVC Smart TV and click the system on the home screen. Swipe left and move to the settings in the system. Scroll down and select the More option. Click Software Upgrade. Select Scan for Upgrade and click Upgrade to update the JVC Smart TV. You can also download the new JVC software on the website and copy it to the USB pen drive. Connect the pen drive to the JVC Smart TV, and it will upgrade the Smart TV with new firmware. Why and when to update JVC Roku TV. If your JVC TV is not responding as expected due to a software glitch or your JVC Roku apps are not opening or keeps on hanging when you open apps on JVC Roku TV, then you need to update JVC Roku TV system software to get rid of hanging or apps keep loading issue, as the latest version of JVC system software includes bugs and system software upgrades.